Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how SafeDoc disables spell check feature in Google Document, Sheets, and other Google apps. Your teacher's writing tests or vocabulary tests may fail because Google Docs' built-in spelling and grammar checking helps your students cheat. This feature eliminates Google Docs as a viable tool for online testing capabilities. While the feature can be turned on or off at individual student device, it's infeasible to enforce the rule remotely, as Admin Console doesn't provide the option. The major spelling check feature is the misspelling and grammar suggestions. Misspelled words are underlined in red. Grammar suggestions are underlined in blue. SafeDoc disables these options as well as locks students from re-enabling them. When you click the spell and grammar icon in the toolbar, Google Docs opens a spell and grammar dialog that walks through all misspelled words and suggests the correct candidates. SafeDoc removes the icon, the spelling and grammar dialog, and the salmon-colored misspelled word. There are also another two spelling correction features in the tools: Preferences, General Dialog, then see checkboxes of automatically capitalize words and automatically correct spelling options. These features are backed by Google's machine learning algorithms. The automatically capitalized words feature could correct sentences in the following way, and the automatically correct spelling feature corrects sentences as follows. SafeDoc disables these features and hides from students so that they cannot turn them back on. Another difference is the Move to Next Misspelling or Move to Previous Misspelling feature in the Accessibility menu, which can be turned on in Tools and Accessibility settings. The feature allows students to locate the misspelling. SafeDoc ensures the feature is removed. Set the policy block docs spell check to true in the SafeDoc extension policy configuration. Add the policy if you don't have the policy. If you have yet to install SafeDoc, apply for a 30 days trial. The SafeDoc subscription form link is also given in the video description. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your K-12 school system very well.